Hey everyone, hope y'all are doing well. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. Sorry I've been away for a little while. Had some crazy stuff going on, and I've been working on this every chance I get. So this lock is probably the coolest one I have in my collection. This is the Point Fort Fichet F3D. This is considered a pump lock because, as you can see, it authenticates by being pushed inward and then turns. So this is the exterior side. The interior has actually been picked on video before. It's this side here. It's got a brass cover on it. This side, on the other hand, is solid brass with a steel cap that's compressed onto it. I've taken this apart and I can't seem to get this separated, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to gut this thing, but if I get it picked here, I will try. I got a couple pairs of channel locks and I'm going to try to rip the thing apart, but I'm kind of afraid that I'm going to damage it. It is a very expensive lock, but if I get it apart, it'll be worth it. Anyway, I am going to go ahead and try to pick this. So this side has 6 active discs. Each disc has 2 gears associated with it that are driven both top and bottom. The gears are about the whole length, and then there's a gear rack on the top and one on the bottom that makes the gears actually counter-rotate each other as they move back and forth. So as you can see by the key, these discs not only have to be rotated to the correct position, but they also have to be transverse laterally to the correct position. This is probably the most difficult lock I've ever picked. But yeah, so let me see if I can get it done for you. So it's tensioned by, this side can be tensioned by the front, but this side has to be tensioned in the back because there is a spring-loaded key check that has to be pushed in for the lock to allow it to be tensioned. Let's see here. I do my best not to block your view, but it's kind of difficult with the way this has to be picked. I'm not sure how this is going to work out, but we shall see. There it is. Holy shit. Alright, I got it. Holy fuck. Okay, that's the fastest I've ever done that. So I've done it a few times before and learned the bidding, but my heart's racing. I can't believe I actually got that on video. Alright, so you can see the actuator there is rotating back and forth. Wow. Okay, I can't believe I got it that fast. That was insane. My heart's pounding. Holy fucking shit. Okay, I did not really expect that. Alright, I'm gonna try to get this thing apart. I don't know how well that's gonna work, but hopefully it works. Ugh. Alright, so far I drilled out all the pins around the outside. Oops. There we go. And then I put these homemade pins back in. And what this allows me to do is remove the actuator section. Oh, okay, relocked. So this is as far as I've ever gotten it apart so far. And this, when you take it apart, this part spins freely because it's not engaged with the actuator there. And I think it's compressed together right here. So I'm gonna try to get that apart. I don't know how well that's gonna work. But I hope it does. Maybe I shouldn't have taken it out of here yet. Having those in there might help me twist it. So I talked to Michael Hubler. I think that's how you pronounce his name. He's the one that did the tool paper on this lock. And apparently to gut his, he put it in a lathe and locked it in place and then twisted it with a pair of pliers. I don't have a lathe that I can put this in. So I don't know if this is going to work at all. But I hope so. Yep. Nope. I think that just broke my pins. What just happened there? Fuck. Okay. Great. That didn't work. And yep, snap one of the pins off. Awesome. I really don't want to damage this. This is an incredibly expensive lock. I hope this works. So far, the answer is no, and I'm just damaging it. Ah, fuck. Yeah, I don't think I can get this apart. Alright, well, if anyone has any ideas on how to get this section apart, please let me know. It does still work. Yeah, so if anybody has any ideas on how to get this thing apart without destroying it any further, please let me know. But yeah, there was the Fichet F3D picked open. Unfortunately, I can't gut the thing, but it is what it is. Alright, thanks a lot all. Take care.